Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register for Etsy seller account, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To register for an Etsy seller account, start by navigating to the Etsy website. On the home page, locate the sign in button in the top right corner and click on it. If you already have an Etsy account, enter your login credentials. If you do not have an account, select the register link. You will be prompted to enter your email address, first name, and password. After filling in your details, click on the register button to create your account. Next, check your email for a verification message from Etsy. Open the email and click on the verification link to confirm your account. Once your account is verified, return to the Etsy homepage and sign in. After logging in, click on Sell on Etsy in the top right corner. Follow the prompts to set up your seller account. Start by choosing your shop preferences, including your language, country, and currency. Then, select a shop name that represents your business. Next, you'll be guided to set up your payment methods. Choose how you would like to receive payments for your sales. Set up your billing information, including a credit card for any fees. Once your payment information is confirmed, proceed to the next step. Now, it's time to create your first listing. Upload high-quality images of your product and write a compelling description. Fill in the relevant details, including price, quantity, and shipping information. Review all the information to ensure accuracy. Once satisfied, click the Publish button to make your listing live. Congratulations! Your Etsy seller account is now set up and ready for business. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.